GRT is one of the few AI coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market, and on today's video I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis and also discuss my short-term price prediction, where at the time of this recording we are seeing a bit of a rejection at a key area of resistance above the 0.165, and starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis. You can see that after getting our bear market lows last year, GRT gave us an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.4947, completing the formation of this Deriv count 1. And after we picked in that Deriv count 1, I was expecting a bit of a corrective structure in an Deriv count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made down there to the high of that Deriv count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that at some point we had lost the fib level 0.78, but the last line of support, which is the fib level 0.88 that lies above the 0.1303, has continued to hold the support, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in these Deriv count 2, and in the next coming days we are going to start an aggressive bounce to the upside in an Deriv count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Deriv count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that Deriv count 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.7882, which is the target area that I will be watching out for the moment we start that aggressive bounce to the upside. And a break to that significant high will easily give us more than a 6x to the upside. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an Deriv count 4 before we can continue pushing even higher in an Deriv count 5 in a move that can easily get us back above the dollar mark. And there are high chances that the moment we manage to break above the dollar mark, we can easily see a push back above the 1.5 and maybe the $2, giving us more than a 10x to the upside here on the GRT chart. On the daily chart, I'm also watching for a break to the upside of this descending trend line, which will be the start of an indication that we have started to see a change of market structure here on the charts and the start of that aggressive bounce to the upside. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you, that is the 4 hour chart, to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. You can all see that we managed to break above a key area of resistance above the 0.1506, flipping it back into support. And at the time of this recording, we are now attempting a break above the 0.165, and the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance with a successful retest, then I will be watching for a break above these highs that we made above the $0.18, and the moment we manage to break above that, then the $0.2 will be my next target areas. We also need to have in mind that we can also easily get rejected over here, and if that is the case, then we need to continue holding above support above the 0.1506, and as long as that continues to hold, there's a chance of another bounce back, breaking through areas of resistances and manage to get back above the 0.2. But if by any chance we get a pullback losing support on the 0.1506, then the next key areas of supports to watch out for lies between the 0.1276 and the 0.1241. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the GRT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.